It is possible to use pictures as well as words in the tile grid. For example, here's one that has a picture on it. It happens to be a thorny devil, which is a reptile that lives in Australia. So it goes here. Here's a word-based tile, also from Australia. Here's a picture tile. So I'm going to show you how do you incorporate pictures into your tiles. Here I am opening the spreadsheet for this scene. So to do that, highlight CSV Reader, and it's over here on the right. If I double click it, it'll come up. So you can see here, it has the column headings at the top, it has the categories here on the left, and it has some of the entries say picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4. So this is how you tell Unity you want to put in a picture rather than just words. So if I want, let's say, this here to be a picture, I need to write the word picture. And then I need to identify it in some way. I think I have a snapping turtle picture. So I don't need the number, but I need to know what the title is because Unity is going to specifically look for a picture with this title. This time I will save as. Instead of just save, I will go up to File and Save As. I'm hoping that the location will be right here at the top for you as it is for me. It is the Assets folder of the Unity project that you made on your computer. So I'll click that, and I will call this CSV Trial. I'm just going to call this CSV Trial with pictures and save it. The warning comes up as always, just say yes. Back in Unity, to use that new CSV, you can see it here, CSV Trial with pictures. Highlight CSV Reader on the left. And on the right, see there's the Excel Data CSV. Click and drag the modified one to fill this slot. So Unity does not have a picture library of its own. You need to put the pictures into Unity. It's not hard to do. In the template, I've created this game object called Picture Manager. If you click the gray triangle next to it, you'll see space for up to 12 pictures. You can add more if you like. I'll show you that in a little bit. But you can see each picture has a name. I put the names in. So the picture we just said was Snapping Turtle. So let's see if I can rename this to be Snapping Turtle. You could keep it Picture 7. If you like the organization of that, please do so. I changed the name of this game object to say Picture Snapping Turtle, but changing the words did not actually assign the right image to this game object. So to do that, highlight the game object. On the right, you'll see there's a designation of sprite. This is the actual image that we need to change to a snapping turtle. In the Assets folder, there's a subfolder that says PNG Files. So double-click that to open it. This is a library of images that I put into Unity. You'll have to do the same for any images that you want to use, but it's easy to do. And you can see there's a snapping turtle image here. So highlight Picture Snapping Turtle in the hierarchy. Destination is this sprite here. Right now it says Character Mode 4X. So click and drag the snapping turtle image into the sprite location And now we have made the image, snapping turtle, match the title, picture snapping turtle. That's it. It should work now. I'm going to press play. And I'm playing the game. I'll get to the snapping turtle image. And there it is. This is the snapping turtle now. This used to say alligator, but it is a North American reptile. It'll go right here. So that's how you add a picture to the tile grid. To recap, needed to put an image from the library of images onto the game object, needed to give it a distinctive name, and that name had to match the words that I put into the Excel spreadsheet. Now I will show you how I put images into the Unity library. It was very simple. I just searched for things like giraffe, and I used my snipping tool, and said, okay, that's a giraffe. So there's my image. It doesn't have to be big because the tiles themselves are small. I clicked Save As. This is the only tricky part. You do need to find the right folder. So for me, this is the tile grid for Swatka. There it is. Boom. Assets. Boom. PNG files. And there you see all the images I already have. Let's call this one giraffe. Okay, I always use PNG as the type. Doesn't really matter, but PNG is very compatible with Unity. Save. And now it's there. Here's Unity. Here's the where we just did picture snapping turtle. I now have giraffe. You can use duplicates in the tile grid, and you can write the duplicates in the CSV, and Unity will know what to do with it. So let's imagine here that I have picture 8 be the pigeon, and pigeons live everywhere. So here I labeled it pigeon. Here I have a pigeon image, which I'll drag over. Boom. In the spreadsheet, the bird, this could be pigeon. So it's picture 8. I need to write picture. But after that, I can make them all be picture 8 pigeon, because pigeons live everywhere. Alright, picture 8 pigeon. As long as I spelled it correctly, it'll work. Save this first, though. Save it first. Boom. Now let's see if it worked in Unity. A good place to look to see whether you made an error is here on the Console tab. If you did make an error, there'll be a red warning will appear. It could be you titled it wrong and it didn't match. Let's try that actually. Let's call this Pidgeot. Let's try to make an error intentionally. Pidgeot is not the right name. Let's find out if it catches that. And there you see, yeah, here's the warning. You made an error. And if I make it correct, pigeon. Now there's no error. Okay, so I should be able to put pigeon in any of the center column rows. Pigeon, pigeon. Not a good game, but demonstrates the point. Pigeon. Pigeon! Alright, so it's perfectly okay to use duplicates, and Unity will intelligently know that that means these are interchangeable tiles.